Ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to give these chickens more room. But these type of bush, if the chickens them eat it, it will kill them because it scratch. It's if people know courage or piety ivy, they're worse than that. See how I gotta put bags over my hand just to root them out. And they're scratching me to death right now. But I'm taking my time and I'm going through them. I just don't want the chicken to eat them. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to make room for these chickens. But at the same time, I don't want to see them die, so I have to clear out these things out of these cooks. So that's what I'm doing right here. But I get through this misery. Thank God.